Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best small crock pot that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Elite Gourmet Electric Slow Cooker. With thousands of positive reviews and happy users, the Elite Gourmet Electric Slow Cooker is a ridiculously affordable and high-quality small crock pot. We had to test it to see why it's so popular. It's 1.5 quarts and compact enough to fit nicely on any kitchen counter, even crowded ones. This is a perfect option for a single person or couple, or for side dishes. The inner stoneware pot is removable for easy cleaning, and both the inner stoneware pot and the glass lid are dishwasher safe. The Elite also features a single dial for simple operation. Set the crock pot to off, low, high, or warm, and always know that the crock pot is on by the convenient red indicator light located directly above the dial. This small crock pot heats up quickly and works just as efficiently as a regular-sized crock pot. It's stainless steel, meaning if you have any food dripping down the sides of the pot, cleanup will be a breeze. The lid is made of tempered glass so that you can keep an eye on the progress your dish is making, and two cool touch handles comfortably fit an adult's hand if the crock pot needs to be moved while still hot. Moving on at number 4, we have the Crockpot Manual Slow Cooker. It's very affordable, even for those who may be on a tight budget, has hundreds of positive ratings, and is made of all-black ceramic cookware for a modern, sleek look. Operation is similar to the previous small crock pot and consists of a single dial with off, low, high, and warm settings. The inner stoneware pot is removable and both the tempered glass lid and the inner pot are dishwasher safe and easy to clean. It features two cool touch handles with an open center so that you can get a steady grip on the crock pot while moving it. This is a tall and deep crock pot, making it ideal for soups, roasts, and other soupy dishes. It works especially well and can cook multiple chicken breasts or a roast in a few hours, similar to the cooking time of a regular-sized or large crock pot. At number 3, we have the Tru BS-325LR Slow-Cookers. Super unique and great for cooking 3 dishes at once, the Tru Triple Slow Cooker features 3 2.5 quart crock pots in one, 7.5 quarts total. Each crock pot is independent of the other with its own dial that can be used to turn the section on or off and set to low, high, or warm. Use all at once, only 1 or 2 at a time. It comes with 3 glass lids, along with lid rests to hold the lids above the pots, to prevent messes, and 3 serving spoons. This is an excellent option for game nights or get-togethers. The inner pots are removable and both the inner stoneware pots and glass lids are dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. We tried this one out over Thanksgiving and Christmas and it was a lifesaver. We were able to keep side dishes fresh and warm while the oven was busy cranking out turkey, rolls, and pies. At number 2, we have the Crockpot 2.5 quart Mini Casserole Crock Slow Cooker. It has a 2.5 quart capacity and the inner pot can be used both in the crock pot to cook meals and in a conventional oven, which is a really neat feature that you won't find in many crock pots on the market. Both the inner stoneware pot and the glass lid are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The glass lid is also locking so that if you need to transport your crock pot, the lid won't slide off. Like all of the previous crock pots on our list, this casserole crock pot features a single dial that you use to control the heat settings, off, low, high, or warm. It also features 2 open, cool touch handles for effortless moving and makes enough food for about 2 people, or can be used for side dishes and dips. This is the one we most often choose for transporting side dishes to potlucks and family gatherings because of the locking lid. And finally at number 1, we have the Crockpot 6 quart Cook and Carry Programmable Slow Cooker. The Crockpot 6 quart Programmable Slow Cooker is modern, digital, and more suitable for a family of 4 to 7 people or larger gatherings. It's still compact, yet it has a capacity of 6 quarts for dips, soups, roasts, and just about anything else you can think of. With nearly 10,000 positive reviews, this is one crock pot that you won't want to overlook. The most notable features of this small crock pot are the digital timer and buttons used to set the timer and heat. This is a pretty luxurious crock pot model compared to the others on our list that use a single dial to navigate through the temperature settings and power settings.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.